Hello friends, welcome back once again. I received a lot of response from your end through your questions and comments on the usage of Sony Bravia X70G TV. And friends, I am trying my best to answer your all questions, provide you the best solution through my videos. I believe that you have got the solution of most of your problems through my demo videos, but still few things are left which I will clear very soon in another video. In today's video friends, I am going to guide you how to program your TV remote to control your setup box. Friends, I am not using any setup box, so I can't show you any practical, but what step I am going to show you right here is the right way to sync your or program your TV remote to control your setup box. With this, you can simultaneously operate the TV and the setup box with one remote. So let's go ahead and check out how we can do this. In first step friends, you need to find out the name of the setup box manufacturer provider, like it's Dish TV, Tata Sky or Airtel. Once you found the name, then you have to find the IR blaster code of that particular DTH service provider for Sony TV. You can find this in two ways. In first ways, you need to dig the help guide of your TV, which you will find in the settings on your home screen. In help guide, you will find the topic using remote control under the basic operations. When you go to this, you will find there programming the set-top box functions. Just select this, and when you move down, you will find the IR blaster code of various manufacturer or DTH provider for this TV. In second way, you need to go to sony.co.in portal, and from there you can get this IR blaster code. Note down the IR blaster code for your DTH service provider or set-top box service provider and move to the next step. In second step, you need to press and hold the STB button which is given on your TV remote. You will find this on the first row from the top and just on the left side of the TV button. While keeping the STB button pressed, you need to enter the IR blaster code for your set-top box service provider. Enter all the IR blaster code for your set-top box service provider one by one without releasing the STB button. Once you done entering all the IR blaster code, then release the STB button. When this programming will be successful, your STB LED button would turn red and blink twice. Otherwise, it will blink quickly 5 times. In this case, you need to repeat this process until it's not get successful. And also check the battery of the remote. If it is low, please replace with the new battery. In third step, after the successful programming, you can switch to the TV or STB mode by just pressing the STB or TV button given on the remote. In this way, you would be simultaneously able to control your TV and STB with one remote. Please note that when you are in STB mode, then TV button will not work, and when you are in TV mode, then STB button will not work. Other basic functions like TV power, STB power, TV input, Netflix and YouTube will work in both the modes. Follow this step and you would be able to program your TV remote to control your setup box. Thanks for watching friends. Let me know the status through your comments.